What's up, y'all? We got something cool today we about to do. I'm about to do a handlebar switch on these two mini bikes I got right here. This is a 224 stage 1 build, and we got a 196 stage 1 build that I'm selling. But before I sell it, I want the handlebars off this bike. So we're gonna get that bike some black handlebars. So we're gonna jump into it, man. Just a quick handlebar swap. Should be nice and straightforward. And yeah, let's go. I'm gonna start taking off my phone holder that I had. There we go. So we about to come off with the throttle. Slid off the throttle, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. Now we got the brake off. So yeah, guys, we're gonna give that bike this nibby grip. So now all we gotta do is get a 13 at the bottom. And just undo them because yeah, the whole boat's gonna have to come up. All right, y'all. We have the whole handle. Okay. We got it ready to come off. Now, we'll get these loosened. It's just a 10 at the top and I believe a 13 at the bottom. Now we got a nice rip to it. And we can just rip it off, y'all. Just like that. Easy. The hydro brake. Now we'll take off the throttle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what? Alright, cool. Alright. Got the throttle off. And really, we could just slide it off. Like, we're not even gonna do too much. Well, we are now ready to swap handlebars. I'm put the 10. And then we got 13 at the bottom. And now we ready to do the swap. Bike out the way first. But yeah, it gets a little messy after. So everything just gonna fall. Right? Yep. Everything just gonna fall. Cool. Ready to put the black bar on here. And yeah, it should give it a nice little custom look. One. Look good. Everything could, well, tighten them up evenly. We got the kill switch secured. It seems like the throttle is just a little bit more wide than the other one, maybe. Got a nibby grip on here already. Got a stock throttle. Let's just get our brake back on there. We just tighten up our brake. And yeah, honestly, y'all, it don't look bad. It does not look bad. Let's start with the 224 build, and we got some red to match. Well, almost. And then you place the other one down. And then you place your stock one through. Then you place your other stock one through. Simply sit them down like so. We'll do all the and then you just put the ones is 12s. Right? So once we about to position the box, right? Get our other Allen key. Hey, why were they so loose? Okay, I guess too many willies. I don't know, but all right, we could straighten up right here. Well, yeah, let's straighten up with the bars a little tightened and centered. We getting a little too excited. So let's just, what we're gonna do is just, yeah, straighten up the bar. Yeah, that's straight. That's straight, and I feel like it's not gonna hit too much. We got the throttle slid back, and then we're just gonna put the brake back, and we're gonna straighten up these bars. Yeah, these bars needed a good alignment. That's pretty aligned. In the first place, bike, you know. All right, y'all, now we're definitely torqued down on the suspension. Everything looks good. Now we're just gonna put the brake back on. I didn't get all at the bottom, and it's gonna stay. It's not gonna slide off. It's gonna dry up, and yeah. So now that we got it lubed up, so yeah, yep, it'll slide on. Hassle, cause I know, you know, a lot of people go through good hassles getting these grips on, man. But with some 3-in-1 oil, you can make it happen. So we're gonna wipe all that excess oil off, because we definitely don't need too much. Watch y'all when I tell y'all that the brake lever position for this bar, for any type brakes, is beautiful for me, at least, y'all, because I need that full brake hit, you feel me? So watch. This is what I mean, y'all. I'm about to show. Over right here, almost like, yeah, all the way. And with my hand, I'm damn near touching the ball, and this is the most leverage you can get on a on a stunt setup. Like, this is some of the best and comfortable leverage that you can get with brakes and brake setups and stuff like that. And that's what I mean, y'all. Like, it honestly, yeah, it feels like a whole different. These bikes are clean. These bikes are clean. So until the next one, I'm gonna catch y'all. Be easy.